This is Fury. We're below the door 4 staircase.
Blind man! You guys okay?
He was outside. Oh, dude, I think it was the kid that was at the rail. Dude, I think he ran into Elvis really hard. Okay.
He said he was okay. He may not be. Yeah, I asked him. He said he was okay. I relayed okay.
I looked back and
was it tight? Yo, you guys cool with like us like resetting and then we'll do a countdown? We'll make it fair and shit.
Yeah.
what was that?
Give it a second. We're gonna do a countdown and we're gonna restart. Am I okay to stay like on the stairs here?
Is that where you were?
I was right here, yeah. Okay.
Tyson's down.
Probably. Yeah.
Yes, definitely yes, Jacob.
What's wrong with his
Yep. Hit! That was a good trade. I'm moving out of the door to not get fucking nailed. Dude! Just slide it up, just slide it up, just slide it up, just slide it up. Just slide it up.
You got it? You got it?
Yeah. Is my deadlight off now? Yo, Jacob, is my deadlight off? My deadlight off. Hit! God damn it.
Come on, guys. Look at that fucking win there. Come on.
You do not want to sit. Ah, fucking what? I fucking lit you up and then you shot me. Jesus Christ. Medic. Oh, is my deadlight off? And my dead rag is still on. 1 second, let me put this in my pocket. They're pushing behind us through the store.
Hope that door don't open.
Light. You ready? What? Ah, fucking.
You got your deadlight on.
I'm shooting.
That was a good way to get behind us.
That was good shit, but yeah, you didn't drop fire.
I hear voices.
Swing it.
I'm dead.
Sorry, I don't see anything.
Got my light on.
Yeah, I couldn't see it, sorry. My bad, dude. I shot you in the ankle, so I,
Hey, that's a good way, man. Just shoot him.
No, I appreciate it.
Are we in shitty guns?
No. Green's in shitty guns. Alright,
He said that I should come here.
Sorry, swapping. They're definitely in there.
yeah, I know. That's why I said they're in shitty guns.
Yeah, sorry, I didn't know who was who.
Alright, swing it.
Close it.
Medic. Hey, give me some bodies up here.
And you good? You want to swap? Because I've still got, I'm still good.
You ready?
Yep. Ah, fucking. Right in the leg. Just slide it up,
Gotcha.
Okay, thank you. Don't open that door again.
I will not.
Okay. Ready?
Whenever you're ready.
Yep. Oh, fucking. I know where he is.
There now, aren't they?
Here.
Fat man, are you up?
Is my deadlight on?
No.
Okay, he's under the kiosk.
Oh. It is real close.
Do you want to swap? Wait, do you have a card? Here, just in case I die.
Copy that.
Okay, I'm gonna fucking light this dude up though. Ready? Go.
Tell me when you want to close.
Hit. What? Med card. Thank you. Okay, I think we should back up a little bit.
Yeah, probably. Thomas is left down that hallway.
Yeah.
There's 10.
Just waiting for these people to move so I can shoot this dude. Got him. I can't see shit out of my right lens right now. 1 sec. I got the one in the far back. I don't think you'll need the nade right now.
Alright, cool.
Pushing in.
I'm gonna keep it.
Who's your gun?
Watch me blow myself
God damn, I can't see shit with this fucking thing right now.
up. Yeah, X-Flag?
Yeah, it's on right now. I'm just sweating a fuck ton because it's hot as shit in here.
Does that keep it up?
Nope. If I peek, he's gonna shoot me. We still have somebody watching that door over there, right? I just can't see. Okay. Cool.
Is there anything straight in front of us in that room that we can hide behind?
I'm shooting past you. You're good.
They're on the left side.
What side are they on?
So he says they're on the left, so I 100% believe him because I can't see it. There's somebody in the door all the way in the back on the right-hand side of that door. So I'm shooting at them because I can see them perfectly. I just can't fucking land a shot right now.
Think there's an opening for me to hop in there? Let's see now.
Trying to get you an opening. If you go right, they can see you from the left.
That was a ricochet.
So if I go right, they can see
yeah, I know. That's the final
Go left?
Yeah, I mean, you can check it out. There's,
Alright.
they're in the doorway on the far side, and they're also on the left-hand side of Shitty Guns. I got one in the doorway a second ago, but I think he got meted instantly.
Where are you at?
You want me to throw it to him?
Yeah, you throw it.
Yep.
Toss it. No.
Yo, throwing it to you.
Jeremy.
Bro.
It broke.
Oh, wait, bro.
God damn it.
Giving you room. I can't see him from my angle.
All right. What's up, fat man?
What do you want to do?
Right now, can we peek that door and shoot across into anybody? 'Cause that's what I'm gonna look at.
Both Shitty Guns and the shop next to it's got that door on lockdown. You can pick it if you want. I'll swing it for you.
Hold on. Let me come across. Guys, don't lose this for just a minute, okay?
Yeah. Somebody come across?
Hey, you might be in the shop.
You might be the boy to your left.
I got the one in the doorway.
I just heard, I think one of our guys called it.
Yeah, in the room on the right-hand side, our guy is hit.
Yeah, we got contact.
He's in the back left corner.
Hey, if in this room, if we go left or right, can we have cover?
Really only down the middle.
There is something like direct straight of you.
Like the doorways? full
In
open,
the doorway, there's a table in the middle.
Just stay low when you run in.
Contact behind us. You want to back up in here?
We had to go to the bathroom, I think.
That one got lodged right there.
Huh?
The BB got lodged in the wall.
Yeah. Where'd you see down at that other end?
I didn't see anything. I'm pretty sure they're in the west corner of the room. Are you alive or dead?
Out.
Oh. Are those the guys that straight ahead this week?
Straight ahead to the left, I think.
Yeah, straight ahead. Other room.
Hey, what's the end of the call look like?
I got one.
That's it for me.
You're dead?
Dead.
Here. There you go. You're good. You're alive. I have 1 card left.
Does that reset all your?
Yep. All tourniquets, everything, you're just alive, as if you respawned.
Oh, that's cool.
I got the one who's in the middle of Chitty Guns. I saw the BBs in the minute, in flight. Oh, that was life behind, life before my eyes.
I think I'm gonna go down to that room where they just were, just to hold that so nobody else comes through.
I'm putting pressure in the hole right now.
I got the one in the middle of Chitty Guns. There's still somebody in the hallway.
I have men stacked on it, getting ready to come across. I'm going to that wall.
Am I clear to move down? Am I clear to move down? Is there any enemy else? Straight shot.
There's a gun in the left doorway.
Hey, the gun in the left doorway, is it high or low?
It's high. I need to swap out for a second. My freaking wrist is killing me. You see that back doorway?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's somebody on the right-hand side of it. And then in the main doorway of Chitty Guns, there's somebody on the left-hand side. What's up?
Really?
Swap, you're out. Am I out? Nope, still in. Oh, now I'm out.
You did not get hit. I want you to go over here.
Oh, that was a nade in our room.
In our room? You're shooting something.
What?
I don't think you're shooting anything.
No, I am.
Oh, okay.
It for whatever reason will double fire, like rapid fire, as if it's on full auto sometimes when I'm using it. It's very annoying. He's at the low.
Hold fire, I need to get my CO.
Back door?
Yeah, back door on the right. You can shoot. They really hate us. Somebody's watching that door in the hallway, right?
Yeah.
The end?
Right there.
Okay, just want to make sure.
Yeah, there's two. Gotta try to get an angle on them from the door.
Okay.
Batman Ninja, are y'all up?
You guys need more people over here.
We're up. Okay. Tracking.
We're held at the left, right?
You good? Did you get hit?
I was having some street push out.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you dead?
Yeah, I'm dead.
Here. Not anymore.
Hey, are you able to see that guy on the left? Because I think I can get him from this door, but I can only see that corner.
Let me check.
I can't see, like it's dark, so I can't see if I'm hidden.
Miracles of modern medicine.
My fucking lens is so fucking fogged on my face.
I have an anti-fog if you need it.
No, I'm using it in frickin' X-Fog. It's just I'm sweating too much.
You guys stuck in here?
A little bit.
Kind of.
Just picking on the people in chitty guns.
He's hallway in the room in the back. Are you good? I'm crossing. Go by that way.
You're crossing?
Yeah, I'm gonna go by that way.
Yeah.
Get off the room over there. God, I'm fogged up.
Yeah, I'm fogged too.
Can't see shit anymore. There's a tube still out. There we go.
Is it my lens that's fogged? Yeah, it's my whole lens that's fogged. Got it.
That man, the bloody bucket.
Striker, this is Batman, how copy. Good copy. Me and the CEO are in
Come on.
Thanks, go on.
There ain't many people left in purple.
Jeremy, we may be able to make a run for purple.
For what?
There's a guy.
There are two people on the left-hand side of purple.
There's a whole bunch of people in front.
Oh, they're not peeking right now.
No, they're trying to blind us.
They're trying to get free input from the windows. Okay, I hate you.
Fucking ricochet galore, man.
Did he make it?
He's dead.
He's dead? Jeremy, this is Batman. Did you make it?
No, he did not.
We got hit.
Fuck! Yeah.
We have to hold our reinforcements coming. There's somebody coming. That's not good if you're like this.
I love that walk, train guy. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Are you okay? I'm so sorry. He walked right in the path of my BB. Are you okay? I am so sorry for shooting you in the face before.
Quality, like low latency video feed on this stuff to kind of.
I accidentally shot him in the face when he was walking across. I feel fucking awful.
This is like a kind of a standard FPV, you know, like the quadcopter.
Hey, Brandon.
I'm so sorry for hitting you.
Is that what you got me?
Yeah, I am so sorry.
It was very accurate. I'll give you that. 2 shots right in the.
Oh no! I was shooting the guy in the back there, and then like you walked as I had pulled the trigger.
I understand. This is what happens here. I'm not surprised. It did sober me up.
I'm so sorry though. So sorry.
I understand.
That's good, man.
Yeah, I didn't mean to at all.
I understand.
Oh.
I was like,
I was just like, no! That was me yelling sorry, by the way. Yeah. That thing's so fucking cool though.
so